YouTube channel for day 89. This is November the 27th, a Sunday. So I started the day exercising 45 minutes with a 5-minute jog. Had my day off from the ACA sales. I worked on books, buying books, bill pay, and Remote Wellness Academy. So I did my bills, also cleaned up a lot of clutter, got rid of a lot of documents, scanned a lot of things, papers and such, and got rid of a lot of clutter. One of the exercises for Remote Wellness Academy is coaching other people to help them get rid of clutter. This is an issue for me. This is probably my biggest issue. It's not probably, it is my biggest issue, is getting rid of the clutter. And I totally agree that, if you're in a clear environment, you have clearness of mind. So that's how I spent the day for day 89. If you have any questions, like, comment, and subscribe. And hope to talk to you tomorrow. Hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.